I got so much love. Thank you. Next, thank you. Next, thank you. Next, I'm so grateful for my ex.
What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas day 13 and it is super early. It's 5:30 a.m. right now. We're gonna be leaving around 6 o'clock, heading towards California for Slime Mania. It is an 18-hour drive and I'm already shook, honey. It's definitely a drive that we've all done before. It's just never fun because leaving out of Texas, if you've never traveled in Texas before, it literally takes one whole day just to get out of Texas because Texas is the biggest state, obviously. So, you know, it takes a full 8 hours to get out of the homie. So I'm really looking forward to that whole 18-hour drive, but we are gonna be splitting it into 2 days, so today and tomorrow. Today, I believe we're gonna be stopping in Arizona, maybe New Mexico, I'm not too sure. And then we're gonna be, you know, getting a hotel and then resuming tomorrow. So let's go along for the ride. Me and Holden are packed and ready to go. We're waiting for my mom to pick us up because my mom has the big van that we're gonna be in. I can't wait to show you all the huge 15-passenger van that I got for everybody. My mom is picking up my grandma and my aunts and then coming over here to pick us up and some of the slime and stuff. And we are gonna head out. Someone does not like being in the cage, huh? I'm sorry, dude. So we're on the road already, headed to, where are we stopping at? Like Arizona, probably? Yeah. And we're just like making fun of my grandma on the way. It's kind of funny.
She wanted Splenda, but she wanted Splendor.
Yeah.
She asked for Splendor.
She asked for Splendor sweetener.
She meant Splenda.
She's crazy. I have this row set up like a little bed for me and Holden so we can sleep later.
Hello everyone, so we are probably past Bernie, Texas. My sister has now taken the wheel. She's driving.
His mom drove all of 20 miles.
Grandma Unicorn said 20 miles was too much. We have Holden here in the cage because, well, Holden likes to roam around and he can't. And Sir Joseph is somewhere in the back seat taking a nap. Sir Joseph says, hi, Sir Joseph. Joseph says, just wake me up when we get to Cali. So there you go.
Holden. You're my baby. We made it to El Paso. What's poppin', y'all? So it is the next day, Vlogmas day 14. I'm just gonna kind of combine the two vlogs together because we didn't film that much. Well, I didn't film that much yesterday because I slept most of the way. We actually stopped in Tucson, Arizona, and we are now just picking up where we left off. So we stayed at the Radisson Hotel. It was all right. We had breakfast this morning and now we are on our way. Well, we're filling up gas right now, but then we're gonna be on our way to Orange, California because that is where our Airbnb is. It's close to Anaheim, which is close to the location for Slime Mania. So yeah, we're about 6.5 hours, I would say, away. So it shouldn't be that long of a road trip this time. And I'm gonna try to hit up a Daiso store and probably just have dinner. That's probably it for today, honestly. Who's out there? Grammy's out there. Grammy's out there. Y'all, we found a Daiso store. I hope they have clay. Y'all, they have some clay. Oh my gosh. I found a really cool wood clay too, so I'm gonna take that. I'm literally gonna take probably the brown ones, the yellow ones, maybe some red, and all of the black for sure. So I'm just gonna take all these and literally just throw them in the basket. Whoops. This is fun. This is my basket. This is Slimes by Kit Kat's basket. Who's organized?
You're not the boss of me.
Y'all are crazy, man. Especially that unicorn right there. No? Okay.
I didn't know I was gonna work out.
I know. I didn't know you were gonna come and clean the shelf either.
You see that? We spent $309.19. I got a Ramune soda because I haven't tried one of this before. Goodbye, Daiso. Until next time. Okay. I'm gonna try Ramune for the first time. I can't. Oh, did it. I always see Slime OG like make slimes inspired by the Ramune soda, so I've never tried it. I'm gonna try it right now. Oh wow. It tastes like carbonated water, like flavored carbonated water. It's interesting. It's a different taste for sure. Hey y'all, look who I'm with. Carly, Slime City B. We're at Cheesecake Factory. We're starving. I haven't eaten anything.
I just want some cheesecake.
I can't. The cheesecake is good for me, obviously. But yeah, so you saw that we were at the Daiso store. Now we're here. We actually went to the Airbnb, but I haven't showed you all that yet. I'm probably gonna show you tomorrow.
Me.
I'm dead. What is
Delicious.
it? Oh, I know, right? Yeah, I'm probably gonna show you tomorrow just because there's a lot of like natural lighting going on, so I want to like show you in the lighting, of course, so stay tuned. I'm back in the Airbnb now. It was so much fun having dinner with Carly and just kind of catching up because we hadn't like hung out in a while. It was really fun, and as we were leaving, I actually left my vlog camera there at Cheesecake Factory, so my aunt like ran to go get it, and thankfully they had it, obviously because I'm vlogging right now. So it was quite the adventure. It was really fun. Tomorrow we are actually going to Disney, and I believe Carly is actually going with us as well, so that's going to be fun. So I'm going to end it here. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the little Daiso haul, and yeah, thank you for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!